Mr. Kaniska Podar uh, is present here, and he has a very energetic and very s- act in bicycling and all that. Bicycle mayor of Ranchi, bike packer, designer, travel blogger. He has done masters from IM Ranchi. He has a design studio for men's ethnic wear under the brand Mulberry Lifestyle, and he has done lot of bicycle touring. He started Ranchi Cycling Day, which happens in fourth Sunday on of every month. So I welcome Mr. Kanish Kapodar, energetic man and bicycle man, I can say, to give his experiences, to share his views on this World Environment Day to set collectives. Kanish Kapodar.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Mandeep ji, for kind welcome and those beautiful words. It sounds really great to hear about myself. And thank you for having me over here. And would actually start with what Mr. Jagdish Ora just said. And it makes so much more important that World Environment Day. I hope I'm audible to everyone.
Please go ahead.
Yeah,
Perfect. So, like he said, that the World Environment Day is not on 5th of June. It is every day. We need to make sure that we celebrate it every day. It is part of our life. It's way of life, the way we live, and that is the way we can inspire people around us, and we can inspire people beyond our periphery. So we need to make sure that we are doing something or the other every now and then to keep the sanity of the environment intact. And during the COVID times when we were all locked down, I believe you all have realized that nature has its own power of healing itself. And you like we saw butterflies are back in the streets of Ranchi. It's much the weather of Ranchi is back to what it used to be 10 years back, and the water of Ganga and Yamuna is much more clearer. There are dolphins in lakes, and the environment is healing. The animals are reclaiming their places, and all they needed was few months of slow down. So if we do it in a very regular way, I believe we can make this place much more breathable, much more livable, and much more happier. So I would like to start saying, asking few questions from all of you, and these are four very simple questions. Uh, do you wish to contribute to reducing pollution and congestion in your daily life? The second would be, do you want to be fitter? And by fitness, it comes to both your physical and mental fitness. Do you want to be much more healthier in terms of your everyday problems in life, for example, backaches or joint pains or having blood pressure or heart disease? You want to be more healthier. Do you want to save money? And environment, that's for sure. So I mean, these questions all comes down to, if you start cycling, you're actually able to take care of all these four questions that I just asked. You save environment. Cycling is a direct action that we do to save the environment. The moment you ride bicycle, you start saving the environment. You start saving the footprint, the carbon footprints, and it makes a huge difference. And it is not important that you ride every day. It is important that you ride. Even a 1 day ride a week or a 1 day ride a month is as important as somebody riding every day. So it's very much important for all of us to start riding to save the environment. So that is very much important, and definitely, like cycling is one of those activity which helps us stay much more fitter both physically and mentally. And mental fitness in today's world is so much more important than any other thing. We go to work, we stay at home, we always have a lot of stress moving inside our head, we think a lot. And while cycling, it releases these endorphins, and it makes us happier people. It makes us more compassionate people, and that basically keeps us stress free. I mean, I remember there would be days when I'm actually stressed out in my workplace, and I would instantly take out my bicycle and go for a short ride, and all my problems get solved instantly, and I'm much more relaxed right after that. It is an instant solution to stress that we brew in our head every now and then. So that is very much important. And I mean, looking at Sale and your colony and how beautifully it is done, I would really recommend. I mean, cycle to work is one thing that you should promote. And the moment you do promote cycle to work in your organization, it changes the whole perspective of the organization in terms of how people are working inside and how people are working outside. Inside, people will be much more energetic, much more positive, and much more happier. And same kind of an energy flows outside, and everything for you is in a close proximity of say a kilometer or two. So it's not a difficult thing for starting cycle to work every now and then in your company. And it's very simple to start it. You just have to do three things. You need to make sure that uh, you have a shower place at your workplace. You have a parking station for bicycle at your workplace, and you are incentivizing people by giving certificate, by calling them up in a big group to inspire others that if he can do it, why can't I do it? So these things basically inspire others to take up cycle to work in an organization. And I would just quote one small number over here. In Bangalore, the bicycle mayor of Bangalore started a cycle to work concept almost 2.5 years back. And they started with the company Bosch India. So initially, they had like for the first few months, around 5 to 10 people cycling to work every day in a big city like Bangalore. But today, out of their 1,000 plus employees, 600 of them at least are cycling to work every day, and that's something that gives us hope that it can be replicated and it can be done everywhere. And today, Bangalore saves around 1,42,000 kg of carbon uh, footprints every month. So that is something phenomenal just by moving on to your workplace on a bicycle. So I really think that we can actually do it in all these corporate that we have, these big companies, these PSUs that we have over here. If we start incorporating cycle to work over here, we will go a long way in making a beautiful Ranchi for a future generation. Besides that, I would like to even add a few more things over here. Uh, because we are talking about the World Environment Day, uh, there are things that basically will let you know how cycling changes the whole perspective of how you look at the environment. You move in a slow motion when you are able to see things that exactly is happening in reality. When you are in your car or a bike, you just zoom past things, you don't see many things around you. But while you are on a bicycle, you end up seeing everything, every small thing that's around you. You start observing more. You start being more concerned about things, and that actually changes the whole perspective again. So there are so many beautiful things that a cycling can do in a very instant way, and it produces zero pollution. That's the most beautiful thing. Every time you take a car, you burn petrol, you create a whole lot of pollution. But with the bicycle, it's nothing. It's all the power that you got in your leg that you need. So that those are few things that I wanted to say, and I can even add up saying how I started up cycling and how things happened with me. to just leave it on a happy note. So I think it was 2015, and I started cycling with the whole thought of getting fitter, like most of us do. And that ride of 5 to 6 kilometers every day ended up turning into a longer ride of 20 and 30 kilometers every day. And then these rides started turning them into rides between cities from Bombay to Lonavala and Shillong to Guwahati. And then I started touring places on a bicycle. So it gradually happened in last 3 4 years from 2015 till 2020. And I fell so much in love with cycling that I started traveling on bicycle. I no more use any other means of transport while I am cycling. So I have done whole of Thailand, Cambodia, Vietnam on a bicycle. I went from Manali to Leh on a bicycle, which is one of my favorite trips till date. And when I was doing Manali to Leh, you process five of the highest mountain passes in the world. So it's a very beautiful experience to go through in such remote places on a bicycle where your biggest challenges are the nature. So these are few things that you keep on adding, but the first thing that you need to do is start cycling. It's very much important for you to sit on a saddle and pedal. Then you can reach all the milestone that you want to do. You can be one of the top kilometer cover person in your organization if you start cycling one day. And you can even go to places like I did in Manali or Leh on a bicycle. So everything is possible when I can do it, you can do it as well. I have never been into cycling myself. It just happened 4 years back. So we all can do it. We just need to be positive and start cycling. And yeah, with that note, I would like to end it. And I would really look forward to coming and working with your organization and making sure that we incorporate bicycle to work concept in your system. Yeah. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Poddar. Thank you, Mr. Poddar, for sharing your rich experience.